Hello and welcome again to another edition of the Big Bike Parts Media Channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss another brand new item fitting the Can-Am Spyder F3 Tour and F3 Tour Limited. This is the electronically isolated trailer wire harness system, which isolates the trailer from the bike, eliminating any electrical feedback to the motorcycle. This system will work with the 5-pin wire connector of your choice to connect it to the trailer. There is also plenty of zip ties as well as installation instructions. This works perfectly with our hitch 41-164, again fitting the F3 Tour and F3 Tour Limited models. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.